Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome to another video. Apologies for not getting a video out sooner. We're going to get stuck straight in with the TT. We're going to start by taking the brakes off the front of the car. I've got a spare set of wheels that I'm going to put on, and then we're going to move around to the back, take the rear lights off and remove the bumper. So let's get straight into it. Right, so the first job of the day, we're going to remove the discs and the calipers. They're going to actually be going on to the Mark IV. So we need to get some tools and get them removed. Right guys, so just to do a little comparison to the brakes that come off of the Golf. They're the ones that come off of the Golf. Look how much bigger they are. See there, I think these are 334mm. These are 312mm. Just compare the thicknesses of that. So they're what we're going to be going with. If you look here as well, the calipers, these are the ones that come off the Audi TT. You can see just how much bigger they actually are. So yeah, we're obviously going to be sticking with these ones. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys the difference between the originals and the ones that come off the Audi. I'm just going to do the other side, and then I'll cut back in. Right guys, car's now turned around. We're going to make a start by jacking the rear of the car up, removing the wheels, and taking the same again, the brakes, get them off. And we're going to make a start by getting the rear bumper off, and we're going to take the rear lights out as well. Reason why the rear spoiler isn't on there, because that's sold before I started making the video on this, so that's why that's not there. Current state of the front of the car, just use a spare set of wheels. As you can see, slowly but surely coming apart. What I'm doing is I'm not going to take the brakes off of the rear yet, because I still need to get the car in and out, and I'm using the handbrake as the brake when I'm moving it in and out. So I'm not going to be taking the engine out until the van's out of the way, or until at least I can swap them over and put the Audi over there. So until that point, then we're obviously going to leave the brakes on the car. Now in regards to the van, we've actually bought a new cartridge for the turbo, so we're going to attempt to change the cartridge on the turbo as opposed to the actual turbo itself. There was a delay with the new turbo I ordered, so I've managed to get a refund on that. So the cartridge is on its way, so hopefully in the next couple of days that'll turn up and we can crack back on with the van. But until then, just to fill the time, we're going to carry on with the TT. Okay, so to get this side off, there's two 10mm bolts up the top here, as you just seen me undo there. I'm just going to go around to the other side now. You need to take the mudguard out in order to get to that. Let's have a look under here, see what's going on. screwed on. 2 screws like that. Screw them in. Easy as that. Right guys, that's going to be all for today. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and if you're new, do consider to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click that bell icon, that will notify you when we next post a video. In the next video, we're going to be carrying on finally with the van. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take it easy. Peace.